guys, welcome back. I have these old pleaser heels that I really been wanting to DIY. I don't really feel like buying a new pair of heels, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash these up and show you guys what I'm gonna do to them. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just got back from Michael's to get some supplies. These are my old shoes. I cut the straps off of them and bought replacement straps, which you can buy online or any local dancer or exotic shop, excuse me. So right now I'm just taking some masking tape and just taping the edges where I don't want the glitter to go, I guess. So I was kind of having a hard time sticking on this tape because I did wash the shoes and I should have waited until waited until they were completely dry because the tape wasn't sticking. And so yeah, I stuck not a trash bag, but a grocery bag just because I feel like it helped me, I guess. I feel like it was helping the tape stick on better since the shoe was initially wet. So I went ahead and did that. So yeah, so I'm just taping it all around. So I'm going to go ahead and finish taping this shoe and get started.
Always come when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Always try my best for you. You just know it is true. Where are we now?
Okay, so this is the glitter that I ended up using. I think it was about $5 or $6 from Michael's. It's like a fine glitter on one side and a chunkier silver glitter on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and mix both of them together and see what we get. I bought 2 containers because I wasn't sure what I would need. I also bought some Mod Podge, which is basically your base, your glue. And then I bought Mod Podge clear acrylic spray. I did have to go back to Michael's because the clear acrylic spray was actually the wrong one. I got matte and I needed glossy. So make sure you get glossy for your sealer. Then I got some sponge applicators and some sandpaper because you want to scruff up the surface of the shoe so that you just get a better application. I just picked up, I know there's different types of like sandpaper. I honestly just grabbed this pack. So I don't know. I just needed to toughen up the surface a little bit so that it would come out the way I wanted it to, I guess. But honestly, I really didn't need it because these are old shoes, so they were already pretty scuffed up. So I feel like I really didn't need to go a long ways with this sandpaper. Okay, now so I'm just pouring my Mod Podge, which is my base, my glue. Basically just your first step. I just poured a little bit of it on a paper plate. And now I'm just going to go ahead and grab my applicator Sorry, my band-aid kept falling off. I cut my finger the other day. So I got my sponge applicator, and you basically just go ahead and apply a thin layer to the platform of the shoe. Lights again. I was building this wall of trust, my friend. It isn't easy when you fight for bringing me down. You know I'll be there, can't you see you hurting me Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the glitter. I am applying the chunky glitter and finer glitter together. I just want to see how it comes out and see what kind of effect we get. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Always gone when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Always try my best for you. You just know it is true. Where are we now? Lights again. I was building this wall of trust, my friend. It isn't easy when you fight. I love how these came out. Oh my god, the sparkle is amazing. I will have everything linked down below, all the products that I needed. It was really easy. At first, a lot of the glitter did come off, but after a while, it was fine. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.